MIOX has the potential to change the world for the better, and I love being a part of that. If you look today about some of the problems in the developing world, they are that a quarter of infants die of waterborne or intestinal or sanitation type diseases. On-site generation technologies are technologies that you can take common feedstocks such as table salt or salt and water that's available on-site, run them through a piece of equipment that converts them into a usable chemistry, whether it'll be used as a disinfectant or as a water purifier. The ability to do that on demand is a huge deal for most of our customers. So some of the benefits of on-site generation include it's safer. You're transporting a solid salt that is very safe. I mean, it's consumable. It's essentially table salt. It's more effective, and the way that we have extended the product line and the chemistries, it's a more effective disinfectant. We've had systems operating in the field for more than 10 years with no issues, with no cell replacements, and we've designed the systems to be robust, reliable, easy to use, easy to operate, very intuitive. The high school lifeguard operator has to be able to run our equipment, which basically means it needs to be able to run itself. MIOX technology is extremely scalable, both in terms of size as well as different application. We can treat an individual household all the way up to disinfecting essentially all of the drinking water for the city of Bogota in Colombia, a municipality of millions of people with millions of gallons of water being treated a day. We actually offer, based on an electrolytic process, a wide variety of chemistries. Our sodium hypochlorite generators are optimized for producing bleach as cost effectively as possible. The chemistries is really designed around giving you the cheapest bleach you can buy. One step up from that in terms of efficacy, and still very cost effective, is our mixed oxidant solution generators. So in this case, we have an electrolytic cell that's modified from our standard hypochlorite generators in a way that creates a different chemistry that's more effective at getting rid of biofilm or more difficult to disinfect microorganisms. One step up from that is changing out the salt solution. Our quaternary ammonium hypochlorite generators, or our equat generators, use a different feedstock. So instead of using a sodium chloride brine solution, we use quaternary ammonium chloride salt blends to have a disinfectant that's orders of magnitude better than anything else we've ever tested. One step out from that, though, is our advanced oxidation, or our IAO processes, combining either our hypochlorite generators or our mixed oxidant generators with UV to create hydroxyl and chlorine radicals that can attack these complex organics that are in water that can be pretty difficult to remove. We have scientists, we have biologists, we have chemists, we have mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, we have designers. All of our products are designed in-house here. So the design and how we think about how operators and users are going to interact with our equipment, we really think and spend a lot of time dealing with that. All working together to deliver an end result to the customer that exceeds their expectations.